Friends, do you know which is the largest company in India by market capitalization? Friends, do you know which company has highest weightage in index? Can you guess? It's none other than Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry, which is one of the largest company in India, which is growing very faster, which is founded by Dhirubhai Ambani, currently which is promoted by Mukesh Ambani, which is growing very faster. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss about fundamental analysis of Reliance Industry. As usual, I'm going to discuss about business model, future growth, leadership, financial valuation. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. If you look at the business, it can be classified into five categories. The first one is digital business, which is Reliance Jio. Second one is retail segment. Third one is media and entertainment. Fourth one is refining and petrochemical. Fifth one is oil and gas business. We all know how Reliance Jio, which has disrupted the entire telecom industry. Before 2010, in India, there were 10 plus telecom companies were there. Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, BSNL, MTS, and many more. Currently, only there are three companies: Vodafone, Reliance Jio, Airtel. This is how Reliance Jio, which has completely disrupted the entire telecom industry. So now Reliance Jio, which has got 40 crore plus subscriber, which enjoys 36% of market share. Under this segment, Reliance offers wireless connectivity such as a home broadband connection to small business customer. Reliance is one of the largest broadband service provider in India with a market share of 50%. They are planning to launch 5G service in India by December 2023. Reliance Jio, it's continue to grow in the future also. The second one is retail segment. Reliance is one of the largest retail company in India. Under this segment, Reliance sells consumer electronics, fashion and lifestyle, groceries and many more. It has 15,000 plus retail stores across the India. It has got a customer base of 20 crores. So it has covered 98% of pin code using online and offline. Some of the brands are Reliance Fresh, Reliance Digital, Reliance Smart, Geo Outlets, and etc. It also operates various digital commerce platforms including GeoMart, Milk Basket, Reliance Digital, Ajijo, Urban Ladder, Netmeds, and Just Dial. Recently, Reliance, which has acquired Big Bazaar also. Next one is media and entertainment business. Reliance owns Network 18 Media, which is spread across the content such as a news, entertainment, sports, movies, live entertainment. Its portfolio includes CNBC TV, Color TV, MTV, History TV, and others. It also owns digital platforms such as a Money Control, News 18, Oat, and Book My Show. The fourth one is refining and petrochemical. Reliance is one of the largest producer of transportation fuel such as a gasoline, high-speed diesel and aviation turbine fuel. The manufacturing plant located across the India. One is Jamnagar, Hazira, Vadodara and many more. Addition to this, Reliance also manufactures broad range of other products such as a synthetic polymer, glass, fiber and etc. The next one is oil and gas business. Reliance Industry, which is one of the largest oil and gas producer in India, whatever the demand we have, 10% of demand will be fulfilled by the Reliance Industry. Remaining 90% of demand, which is imported from the Arab countries. If you look at the revenue breakups, so 57% from oil to chemical, 23% from retail segment, 11% from digital services, 1% from oil to gas business. If you look at the revenue, over the last 4 years, revenues have grown from 5,69,000 crores to 8,77,000 crores. If you look at the net profit over the last 5 years, which has grown from 39,000 crores to 73,000 crores. If you look at the return on equity, which is currently stood at 9.31%. If you look at the debt to equity, currently which is stood at 0.44%, which is very low, which is very good for long-term investment. If you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters, they're having around 50% of shareholding pattern. If you look at the FIS, they are the net sellers. They have reduced the shareholding from 25% to 22%. If you look at the DIs, they are the net buyers. They've increased the shareholding from 12% to 16%. If you look at the stock, over the last 10 years, stock has been a consistent compounder. So stock price jumped from 400 to 2500. Stock has generated a 6 times return and it will continue to grow in the future also. Currently, stock is trading 2450. Over the last 1 year, stock has been trading in a range bound. 2700, it has been acting as a major resistance zone. 2200, it has been acting as a support zone. If you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading a P of 22 and median P is 18, which is looks slightly expensive. If you're a long-term investor, what you can do, you can buy the stocks in a systematic manner or you can wait for the right correction. Friends, in this video, we discussed about fundamental analysis of Reliance Industry. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with the community. This video is only for education purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you. Thank you so much.